Hi, yoga buddies! Today we're going to move our bodies in a gentle and happy way, just to feel really good inside. If you like doing yoga with us, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's start feeling good together. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Standing tall with feet hip-width apart, arms lifted overhead, hands together, upper body leaning gently to each side. Switch sides. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. Sit cross-legged comfortably, hands resting on knees, spine tall, calm breathing. From the seated position, reach your right arm overhead and lean to the left, feeling a stretch along your side. Switch sides. Sit with legs lifted in a V shape, arms reaching forward, back straight, core strong and steady. Kneel on hands and knees, slide arms forward,
Chest melts toward the floor while hips stay lifted. Lie on your belly with hands under shoulders. Gently lift your chest while keeping elbows close to the body, shoulders relaxed. Stand with legs wide. Reach one hand down to the shin while the other arm extends straight up, chest open to the side. Alternate sides, left and right. Stand on one leg, start right leg, place the other foot on your calf or inner thigh, hands together at heart or lifted overhead. Repeat on left leg. Lie on your back with the legs extended long and arms stretched overhead like a full body morning stretch. Let's stay here and breathe together for 30 seconds. Take slow, happy breaths and feel your whole body resting and feeling good. Amazing job, yoga buddies! You moved your body so well today, and you should feel very proud of yourself. If you enjoyed this yoga flow, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you love. See you next time. Namaste.